afternoon. So we're going to go over the Chapter 9 quiz review. So for this, everybody, you got this. So remember to definitely everybody use Decimals.com. That's going to be very helpful when doing this. So we want to make sure everybody that we got this. Well, you all got this. Okay, so we're going to do, so this first one says use the balance formula. So remember that one is going to be where we have it set up. Okay, so it's going to be the principal times 1 plus the rate divided by 12 raised to 12 times the time minus 1. Okay, remember we do have to put parentheses here. So remember our pairs of parentheses and then the rate over 12 for this one. So we're going to go ahead and identify a variable. So Nicole is 27 years old. And she wants to retire when she's 62. So for our time right here, so that's going to be 62 minus 27. So that's going to be 35 years. She's opened a retirement account and she wants to deposit $300 each month if the account pays 3.25, so that would be 0.0325 compounded monthly. So it's going to be compounded monthly. How much will she have in the account? So this is where everybody, you're going to use decimals to put it in. So 300 times, you do have to do the double parentheses, 1 plus the rate. So 0.0325 divided by 12. Then it's going to be raised to the 12 times 35 minus 1. Remember to scroll left and do the minus 1. Double parentheses all over the rate. So 0.0325 divided by 12. Okay, so you are going to put that into decimals. Okay, so you see I did that. I put it into decimals right here. So we get so the balance is going to be $234,184.90. Okay, next one. So for Drake, so he's going to deposit $6,000. Okay, so that's our principal at 2.8, so 0.028 compounded continuously when he was 18 years old. How much will be in the account when he's 50? So we're going to do 50 minus 18 to get 32 years. Continuously compound formula, everybody. So that's balance is equal to P RET. Okay. So you're going to use the Desmos Scientific for this one. So it's going to be 6,000 and then E raised to the 0.028 times 32. And you do have to do parentheses around it so that it will show that to you. Okay. So we put it in. So I put 6,000 times E raised to the 0.028 times 32. And with the E, it already raises it for you. Okay. So that would be our, notice with this, we are going to have to round it to the cents place. So it's going to be 71 cents. Okay. So our balance is $14,698.71. Okay, so next one, Victoria and Chris are saving for retirement. Their goal, they want to have $250,000. Okay, so if that's the amount they want to have, everybody, that's the balance. The rate is going to be 0.045 compounded monthly, so 12 months in a year. And then we're solving for the deposit, how much they need to deposit. The time is 25 years. Okay, so we're going to use our periodic deposit formula. So that one, everybody remember, is going to be, it's the balance times the rate divided by 12 all over 1 plus the rate divided by 12 have to do parentheses around these, everybody. So the rate divided by 12, raised to 12 times the time, minus 1. Okay, so we're just going to put that all in. So 250,000 times the rate, and we do have to put parentheses so that it divides the rate divided by 12 first. And then we can do 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12. In order of operations, remember it'll do the division before addition. And then we go 12 times the time of 25 years. Scroll left, do the minus 1. So remember to scroll left right here and go down right there. So we're going to put it into decimals. Okay, you see our answer right here. So I put it into decimals like that. Everybody remember to have your pairs of parentheses. And so it's going to be $452.08. So $452.08. Okay, so this one, everybody, is where we're talking about saving for retirement. So it's going to, tax without the individual retirement account. So we're going to do the 48,000 times 20%. Okay, so we do times 20%. So that would be 9,600 with the IRA. So now it's going to be 48,000 minus the 4,000, because now it's reducing it, times 20% still. Okay, so we get 8,880. That would be how much he's responsible for. We subtract those two, and that's how much his tax liability can be reduced, or the difference. Okay, so this one. What's the number of Social Security workers a worker needs to earn over his or her working lifetime to collect Social Security? So that is 40. You have to earn 40 credits to qualify for Social Security. Okay, so this one, let's look at this one. So Mr. Jones is 65 and planning to retire. Over his lifetime, he earned $4,000 a month. Okay, so we're going to do 90% of the first 856. So 90% is the decimal, times 856. So we get 770 and 40 cents. And then it's going to be 32% of the earnings over. So that's the balance, everybody. So 32%, 4,000 minus 856. So we get 1,006 and 8 cents. Okay, now we're going to add those two together. Okay, so everybody, we add those two together. So Mr. Jones is going to get $1,776.48. Okay, so that's if he retires when he's 67. If he retires at 62, it's going to be reduced by 30%. So we're going to take the full amount minus the full amount times 30%, but you can also just multiply the full amount times 70, because 100 minus 30 would be 70. Okay, so he's going to receive 70%. So he would receive $1,243.54. So that's something as you're helping your family and they're thinking about retiring. Think about if they want to retire early and receive less money, or keep working. Okay, so number 9. So this one is looking at taxable income. Okay, so we have here, so it's going to be Social Security, so maximum Social Security tax in 2018, so 1,000, so 123,000 times the rate 0.062. Okay, so we get $7,600 $626, so that's the maximum. Okay, so Jasmine had 2 different jobs. Well, just one job, so 45,000 times 0.062. Okay, so 2,790. Okay, and then the 45,000 times our Medicare rate. Okay, so 0.0145. Okay, so that's going to be $652.50. FICA, okay, remember we add. So FICA is Social Security plus Medicare. Okay, so it's both of these together. So we're going to add them together to get $3,442.50. Okay. Okay, so for the next one, for number 10, so the maximum taxable income, numbers off on this one. So this one is actually number 8. The numbers are off on these. That's okay. Okay, so this is actually number 8. Sorry, everybody. Gotta love auto number 8. Okay, so for this one, it says, so Manuel is going to retire. His maximum benefit is $1,670. He started collecting Social Security at the age of 66. So it's going to be reduced by 6 7/10%. So we retired 1 year early. Okay. So remember, we look in the notes. Those were the numbers, the percentages that we gave you. And yes, these are the actual percentages. So his new monthly benefit for Manuel would be $1,558.11. Okay, Carmen's working part-time at the health club, earning $15,000. Last year, 1,900 was needed for Social Security. How many did she earn? Okay, so I think we're actually going to use the current values of 1,410. Okay, so 15,000 divided by 1,410. Okay, so how many credits did she earn? So we divide those two. So the salary, everybody, okay, so we get 10.64, but the maximum number of credits that you can earn per year is 4. Okay, so 4 credits per year. This is the maximum amount, everybody. So remember, you need 40 credits. So think about it. So 4 times what gives us 40? So 10. So you have to work at least 10 years. Okay, and if she earned 4,000, so we divide that by the 1,410. Okay, and we divided everybody again. Okay, so I get 2 8300ths. Okay, again, so it's going to be 2 credits. So in this case, they round down. Okay, so she would earn 2 credits. Okay, so this one, let's look at for Jesus. So his full retirement benefits is 1,560. He started collecting Social Security benefits at 65, so it's reduced by 13 3/10. Again, everybody, these are the actual percentages. Again, also just so you know, everybody, like sometimes people will retire early due to like health issues or if they need to take care of family. So it's going to be the so this one, so it's going to be the full amount plus the full amount times the percent reduced. Okay, so Jesus would get $1,352.52. Okay, everybody got this.